Cory Kapahulehua is a former Army veteran who was fired from his teaching job at the Arizona Agribusiness and Equine Center in Mesa back in January 2022 after he was accused of having a sexual relationship with two teenage students. The media was never notified of his arrest until this week when the Maricopa County Attorney's Office announced that Kapahulehua had been sentenced to 187 years in prison.
Arizona has some of the harshest.
Maricopa County Attorney Rachel Mitchell tells us it's usually the law enforcement agency handling the case that lets the public know when an arrest like this has been made.
In cases I've been involved in where it has been a school or church related individual, typically there is a press release by the agency. Oftentimes the school itself will send out some information to parents so that they're at least aware of what's going on.
We reached out to the Mesa Police Department and was told there was no media release sent out when this teacher was arrested, and there's no explanation why. A spokesperson told us that the detective may not have passed information about the case over to the Public Information Office, which relays info to the media. We also reached out to the school and was sent this statement, which read in part, "Upon learning of the allegations of 2022, the individual's employment with AAEC was promptly terminated, and we immediately notified law enforcement and cooperated with the investigation. Our deepest concern and sympathy are with the victims and their families." The director of academics told us an email was sent to parents following the teacher's dismissal, but we were not provided that email.
You've got 3 investigations going on.
Child safety advocate Katie McPherson says parents need to be made aware of these cases right away so they know what's being done to keep their kids safe.
Getting an alert and having parents in the know is really essential right away, because obviously some students aren't going to come forward on their own, so there may be other victims out there. We know that a lot of these things unfortunately happen at school and in the community, and the more awareness we have, the more awareness we have to stop it.